In this video, we'll learn how to create a content asset in Salesforce Commerce Cloud, SFCC. First, log into your Sandbox instance, and then navigate to Merchant Tools. Under the Content section, you'll find the Content Assets module. Click on it to open. Once the page loads, scroll down to the bottom where you'll see a New button. Click on it to create a new content asset. Since this is a working sandbox, you might see more fields than usual, but we'll focus only on the required ones. Start by entering a unique ID in the first field. Then provide a name for the asset, and optionally, a description. Make sure to set the online field to yes so that the content is visible on the storefront. Set Searchable to no, as we don't want this asset to appear in search results. Scroll down to the body section. Here you can enter your content using either raw HTML or the built-in HTML editor. If you're not familiar with HTML, you can use the UI tools available to configure the content easily. Once done, scroll down and click the Apply button. That's it, your content asset is now created and ready to use. In upcoming videos, we'll show how to use this content asset within slots, campaigns, and even at the code level. Thanks for watching.